Buy now, pay later giant Afterpay has launched its online banking as a service platform in Australia, and the new money and lifestyle app called Money is available now to Afterpay customers. Afterpay research showed that 3/4 of Gen Z believe they'd be better at saving if they had a tangible end goal, and 1/3 said their transaction account would be improved with personalised features. Money aims to offer just this, helping younger Australians gain financial security. Whether you're a loyal Afterpay Buy Now Pay Later customer who's interested in the brand's expansion of services, or you're new to Afterpay but curious about their alternative digital banking options, it's good to know exactly what Money is. So let's break down the must-knows of Afterpay Money. First of all, what is Money by Afterpay? Money by Afterpay is a money management app offering Millennial and Gen Z-targeted banking services focused on budgeting and saving. With Money, you get a daily transaction account, up to 15 savings accounts, and a new debit card. Next, who can use Money by Afterpay? Money is only available to Australian residents aged 18 or older who also have a valid Afterpay Buy Now Pay Later account. To apply for a Money account, you must also have an Australian residential address, an Australian mobile number, and a valid email address. So how do I get Afterpay Money? The app can be downloaded on the App Store for iPhone users, and an Android version is expected at the beginning of 2022. To join Money, customers need to have an Afterpay account or sign up for one, and then use their Afterpay email and password to log into the Money app. Is Money by Afterpay a bank account? Not directly, but yes. Afterpay is working in collaboration with Westpac, which is acting as a regulated deposit account and card issuer for Money. Users can manage one daily account with a physical debit card, digital wallet offerings, and the ability to easily make and receive real-time payments with no fees. Money customers can get saving goals in up to 15 separate saving accounts. Next, how does Money by Afterpay help you to save money? Firstly, by helping you save up to 15 tangible saving goals so that you can easily visualize what you are working towards. Additionally, Money helps you save while you spend. The app uses roundups and multipliers, which offers to add micro amounts to your everyday transactions, then transfers them into your savings accounts. You can also automate this process if you like. What's the interest rate on the Afterpay Money savings account? The interest rate on the Afterpay Money savings account is 0.75% per annum at the moment, subject to a combined total balance of $50,000 across all savings goals. What special features does Afterpay Money offer? Afterpay Money is loaded with additional tools and features designed to be engaging and help you make responsible financial decisions. Firstly, there are Money Stories, which provide you with a regular and engaging visual summary of spending, saving and income, and buy now, pay later balance. It ensures you have a full understanding of where you stand daily and weekly. Customers also have access to Money Diaries, provided by the popular online publication Refinery29, which offers insights into how other people spend and save. The app also offers what Afterpay calls superpowers. The first is Afterpay Retro. Afterpay users can retrospectively decide to pay off a transaction they've made in 4 installments using Buy Now Pay Later, which the platform claims as a world first. The second is Afterpay Rewards point scheme called Pulse. Through the Money app, you can earn points for making good money choices, such as sustainable spending and setting up savings goals. Pulse also offers discounts from popular brands and early access to exclusive sales, online and in-store. The third superpower is Afterpay Order, which lets you track all of your Afterpay orders. As it is all in the one place, you can know exactly how much is available, how much is owing, and when everything's due. Can anyone use Afterpay Retro? To have access to the Retro feature of the app, you must maintain a Money by Afterpay daily account with at least one eligible transaction and have an Afterpay account in good standing. You cannot have exceeded the Retro limit of $200 and also must have paid 25% of at least one previous Afterpay order. Let me know what you think of Afterpay Money and whether you're thinking of signing up down in the comments below. If you want to learn more about personal finance and investing, you can follow my journey with how I manage my finances, home loan and stock market investing by subscribing. So with that, I hope to see you in the next one.